Drivers are facing more distractions on the road than ever before, and with this increase comes the need for an evolution of smart vehicle connectivity systems. Cobra is leading this evolution with the new Super HD Dash Cam with iRadar. Anything can happen out on the road. You need a dash cam to back up your side of the story. The complete and intuitive dash cam monitoring system is ready to go with the included micro SD card, low profile adhesive mount, and vehicle power adapter. Simply mount, power, and drive. Automatic recording and shutdown lets you set it and forget it, ensuring you're always protected. The camera's 1296p Super HD video provides crystal clear recording for both daytime and nighttime operation, and lets you capture road trips like never before in beautiful high resolution. And with time and date stamps embedded into each recording, you can always prove your side of the story in the event of an accident. Parking mode monitors your vehicle while you're away by automatically recording when motion is detected. Connect to Cobra's iRadar app to embed GPS location into your videos and provide real-time alerts to red light cameras, speed cameras, and live police locations. Cobra Dash Cam systems are designed for every type of consumer use and provide a best-in-class combination of advanced functionality and affordability. Improve your drive, protect your drive with Cobra Dash Cams.
Whether you use your car for your daily commute or as your main source of income, road safety is essential. With more distractions inside the car and more vehicles on the road every year, you need a truthful record of accidents to avoid irresponsible drivers and unnecessary hassles at the courthouse. At Rexing, we believe in protecting drivers and ensuring accountability on the road. This is the Rexing V2, your roadside witness. V2 is a high-powered premium dash cam. With its distinct dual-channel design, you can capture detailed recordings of the road ahead and behind the wheel. Advanced image sensors with wide dynamic range allow the cameras to perform optimally, adapting to any light condition. Control how you record with single-channel 4K Ultra HD recording or dual-channel simultaneous 1080p Full HD recording. Each V2 lens possesses a 170-degree ultra-wide field of view covering a far-reaching angle to give you a comprehensive picture inside and outside the vehicle. The sleek, discreet design allows the V2 to be mounted anywhere on the windshield, giving taxi, Uber, Lyft, and other occupational drivers a professional appearance while keeping them secure. Intuitive loop recording overwrites your unlocked oldest files, allowing you to continuously record without interruptions. The cutting-edge G sensor automatically detects collisions, auto-locking the current video on impact to ensure the most important footage is protected. And the ready-to-use built-in Wi-Fi makes viewing, saving, and sharing recordings on your smartphone or tablet easier than ever. Engineered for quality, designed for reliability. The Rexing V2 Dash Cam. Capture everything.
360度撮影可能なドライブアクションレコーダーダクション360。ダクション360は通常のドライブレコーダーとは異なり360度の視野を持っています。実は自動車事故の約7割は車両の側面、後方で起きています。前方だけの視野を持つ通常のドライブレコーダーでは幅寄せ、無理な追い越しなどまで記録することはできませんよね。ダクション360なら周囲でどんなアクシデントが起きたのか360度記録することが可能です。半ドーム状の画角を持つダクション360は車両のフロントガラスに取り付けることで車両の前方、側方、車内を記録します。記録した映像はスマートフォンやパソコンでこのように後から360度アングルを変えて見ることができます。こちらが実際の走行映像です。車両後方をご覧ください。偶発的に撮影されたものですが、高速道路を走行中、後方から車両に追突された様子が記録されています。また、自分はしっかり運転していたがぶつけられた、そんなシーンでもダクション360であれば客観的な状況分析を行うことが可能です。さらに別売りの駐車監視オプションを取り付けることで駐車中に衝撃を検知した場合も360度記録することができます。例えばスーパーなどの駐車場で起こりがちなドアパンチ。通常のドライブレコーダーでは前方しか映らないので記録に残りませんが、ダクション360の超広角視野であれば側方や後方も映るので、このように隣の車のドアがぶつかる様子も記録することができます。
Introducing the stunning, advanced Rexing V1P Pro Dash Camera. It's the first-to-market dual Full HD innovative recording solution. Both front and rear cameras record in full 1080p HD with single-channel recording of up to 4K resolution. Wide dynamic range allows for visual clarity in all types of light and conditions, and the 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lenses gives you the power to see everything that's happening around your vehicle. The V1P Pro is equipped with a gravity sensor that automatically detects impacts and starts recording immediately. This emergency footage is then locked, so you can use it later as evidence. It's the latest innovation in peace of mind. And we didn't stop there. The Rexing V1P Pro Dash Camera also includes a built-in GPS system, allowing you to log time and date, location, and speed information for all your recordings without the use of another external GPS. The Rexing Connect app links your mobile device to the dash cam, so you can view, save, and share footage instantly at any time. Powered by a supercapacitor, the camera can withstand extreme heat and cold, which ensures more uptime and reliability in any climate. The Rexing V1P Pro Dash Camera, your roadside eyewitness.
How do you know if you need the latest Garmin Dash Cam? You drive one of these. Or this. Over epic distances. Or just to go get takeout. In bumper-to-bumper traffic.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
To get out of town.
Are you seeing this? Are you seeing what I'm seeing?
And see the sights.
Is he pointing at anything in particular?
In all conditions.
Oh, bikes. Mom?
So, you either need to pick up a full-time passenger with a photographic memory.
Oh, I forgot already.
Or one of these. Garmin Dash Cam. The HD driving recorder that remembers all the details of your drive.
Awesome features. Small, that's good. Easy to use. I need that. Okay, now we're talking. Yes, GPS, why not? 1440, that's even bigger. Control with your voice.
Choose a Garmin Dash Cam and pick up the perfect passenger.